Little storyteller.
Leo was a little boy with bright blue eyes and hair like sunshine. He loved to play, but Leo had a funny problem. His hiccups made him poof to a new spot. If he was holding a red ball, poof, the ball went with him. One sunny day, Leo was playing hide and seek with his best friend, Mia. Mia had curly brown hair and a giggle like wind chimes. "Ready or not, here I come," she called, peeking from behind a big oak tree with leaves like green hands. Leo hid behind a colorful flower bush with big pink and yellow blooms. He held his breath, trying not to giggle, but then, hiccup, poof! Leo was suddenly beside the sandbox, a pile of sparkly yellow sand. Mia looked around the flower bush. "Leo, where are you?" she called, her voice a little confused. Then she saw Leo by the sandbox, looking surprised. They both started to giggle. Playing hide and seek was very silly with Leo's hiccups. The next day, it was quiet reading time at school. The classroom was filled with the soft sound of turning pages. Leo was looking at a book about a fluffy bunny with long ears. He was very interested. But then, hiccup, poof! Leo was now near the window, looking at the clouds that looked like white cotton candy. His teacher, Mrs. Lily, who had kind eyes and a warm smile, looked up in surprise. Some of the other children giggled quietly. Leo felt a little embarrassed. Later that day, Leo was drawing a picture of a bright yellow sun. He took a deep breath to steady his hand, but, hiccup, poof! He landed right next to his friend Tom, who was drawing a tall blue building. Tom looked surprised. Then he smiled. "Maybe your hiccups can help us," Tom said. "Help us how?" Leo asked, tilting his head. Tom pointed to a shelf high up in the classroom, where a box of colorful stickers was kept. "We can't reach the stickers, but maybe your hiccups can take you there," he explained. Leo's eyes widened. Maybe his hiccups weren't just a funny problem. Leo looked at the high shelf. He took a deep breath. Hiccup! Poof! He was right in front of the sticker box. He carefully took it down, and poof! Back he was next to Tom. "Wow!" said Tom. "You did it!" Other children gathered around, excited about the stickers. Mrs. Lily smiled. "What wonderful teamwork," she said. "Sometimes what seems like a problem can help us in surprising ways." Leo learned that even though his hiccups were sometimes silly, they could also be helpful. And his friends learned that working together can solve all sorts of problems, even hiccup-powered ones.
Please subscribe. Thank you.